Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Roxanne and today I'm going to teach you how to bust it down in a split. Now don't worry if you cannot do the full splits. This is a beginner's friendly tutorial, so it works if you can do the fake split as well. And if you don't have to do a fake split, I have a tutorial on that already. The link is in the description below, and that also includes a warm-up and some stretching, which I would highly recommend you to do just so you don't get injured. Even if you can do the real splits, it's really good to warm your body and your legs so you don't get injured like I currently am now, but here we are. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to be doing this tutorial on my more dominant side, which is my left leg leading in the front and my right leg behind me. I recommend you do the same because you want to make this easy for yourself in the beginning and also to minimize injury. If you're good on both sides, then go ahead and do it on both sides. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my hands in front of me like so, booty up, and I'm going to take my right leg behind and my left leg in front. Like so. Yep. I'm showing you in a fake split because I'm a bit injured in my hip and I don't want to overstretch it. So with my hands still stable, nice and stable on the ground, I'm going to use my core to lift my booty up and bring it down. Yeah. So I'm going to pop my booty up from underneath. Yeah. I'm going to bring it up and down. Now first I'm showing you with my knee. So my back knee is on the ground just to keep me more stable. So I can just go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now really keep my hands behind me to keep me nice, strong, and stable. If you want, you can also lift up and just go on your feet and bring it down. Both up and down. Ta, 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 ta. Okay? I'm going to show you that from the side as well so you can see the positioning. So my hands are here in front. I'm going down into my split and my booty goes up and I really arch my back and I lean forward so I can really be nice and stable on the ground. So it's less work for my butt. And I just lift up using the core. It's like a real core exercise. And you just go up and down, up and down. And you can decide if you want to go high and low, if you want to keep it low. Here, you can also just bounce a little bit, but really just use that core and lift your booty up and down. And that's pretty much it, to be honest. I can also show you something else which is kind of hot. So I'm going to show you from behind. So again, I'm here, oops. So again, I'm here. I'm going down on my fake split and I'm also going to lay on the ground. I'm going to grab my front leg. And then I'm just going to lift my booty up and down. Yeah, and I really grab that leg to keep it nice and stable. And you're just bouncing, you're really lifting from up, using that core to push up and down. This one is going to be a bit smaller. It's not going to be as wide as the first one. And yeah, and if you want to get out of this nicely, you're going to take your front leg, slide it around behind you, and there you have it. And I'll show you that same move again from the side. Here. Split. I'm coming down, I'm grabbing that foot, and I'm bouncing up and down. Oh yeah, I didn't mention that this hand is nice, flat, and stable on the ground, because that is how you're going to keep your support. And I'm just going to bounce, 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 bounce. And that is it. So I'm just going to go over everything one more time. You have your hands flat on the ground. Take your booty up. You're going to go down into your split. And you're going to use your core, keeping your hands flat on the ground. Use your core to lift your booty up and down. Up, down, up, down. You can keep that back knee on the floor, or you can bring them both up and down if you want. You can be really big, you can be really small. You can come down, 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 grab that front leg, bounce it. You can even slide your hand across. You can bring that hand back here. If you want to be a bit more sensual, come back up, swing that front leg to the back, and that is it. So I hope now you know how to twerk in a split. Please let me know if you have any questions below. I'm here to help you. And if you have any other tutorials that you want me to do, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, bye-bye.